last video, we have learned basic introduction about AutoCAD. In that video, we have learned line command, polyline, and circle, types of circle. Then how to set units, dimension, then how to increase the dimension style. Everything we have learned in that video. So today's video is basically on the next command, which is arc command, rectangle command, and then polygon. So these three commands we will learn in this video. So let's start. So first I'll erase everything. So this here I have used select all command. So next arc command. So shortcut for arc is A, enter, capital A or A simply. So in that only first arc type it will come once if you will enter the short key. But now we are having multiple types of arc. So let's learn one by one. So 3-point arc. So if you want to draw this arc, we need to select 3 points. Specify start point, then second point it is asking. Suppose 4 feet, enter, then it will ask the third point. So as I told, if you are beginner also, no need to worry about the learning what. So where you will get the idea, if you will select any command, automatically the command bar will give you direction to draw that particular command. So nothing to worry, just you follow the command bar. So here specify start point, automatically the cursor will ask you the next command. So specify second point. Always whenever the AutoCAD it is asking for specify means you need to enter the value for that. So what you have to do here, you have to enter the value. Suppose 6 feet I am having. So next if you will drag, you have to give direction. Suppose if I am giving downward direction or upward, so automatically it will ask for the next command. What? So specify end point of the arc. So why it is asking end point? Because we are drawing the 3-point arc, first, second, and last one. So next I'll give the value 6 feet. Now here what I have explained without knowing any corresponding or reference point. Suppose if you have any reference point like this. So now here we don't want any value, just we have to draw 3-point arc. First point, second point, and third. So this is very easy. If we know the point also and if we don't know the point, then also we can draw the arc command. So next arc type is start, center, end. This is like quarter arc, quarter circle we can call it as a 1/4 of the circle, whatever half portion it will come, whatever remaining portion we called it as a quarter circle. So start, center, end, the basically for civil purpose we can use for the to draw the door here. So if you are to into any other field you can use for that also. So this AutoCAD is a not only for civil, it is for every field, mechanical, electrical, architectural, again interior. Everybody can use AutoCAD, and this is a main basic software for every updated software. If you will learn this software, you can do further changes to other software. So let's do that. So next type is start, center, end. So first what I will do, I'll show how to draw the door. So as I told, ortho mode, why we will use ortho mode? To set the cursor for the 90-degree. So to set cursor, I'll press F8. So once if you will press F8, automatically the ortho mode it will get on. So dual size standard, I'll take it as a 3 feet. Enter. So repeat command spacebar. So specify same, select the point, then 3 feet, enter, enter. So I want to create a arc here. So start, center, end. So this is the start point, center point, and end point. So this is called as the quarter circle, or we can use it as a door in the floor plan for the civil, architectural, or interior drawing purpose. Whenever we are going to create any floor plan, house plan, in that drawing we can use this door. So this is 3 by 3 door, and we have mentioned this rotation, how it will open. For that we have to show. So this is start, center, end. Next arc type it is start, center, angle. So for same line I'll show the same thing. Start, center, angle means here start point, center point, and then instead of end point we have to mention the angle value. Suppose I want 30 degree, 30, enter. So where the angle will get end, there it will show the end point. Suppose if again I'll repeat, start, center, angle, start point, center point, and then angle. Suppose if I'll give 90-degree, exactly it will close that line. Why? Because the angle between these both line, it is a 90-degree. That's why it got closed. If I will delete, you can observe the previous arc. So it is a 30-degree. So I hope you have understand this concept. Next, start, center, length. So now they have mentioned here arc length, not this length. So student or any one candidates, they'll get confused about this. So what you have to do, you have to check this arc length. Suppose start, center, length, start, center. Randomly, I'll give the value for length. I'll give 7 feet, enter. So which value I have given? This value 7 feet. Now what we have to check? We have to check this value. I'll off the ortho mode. So this value is 4 feet 3 inches. So this is called as the arc length. So in this type, we are going to draw the same arc, start, center, length. So start point, center point, and then how much value we need to enter now? 4 feet 3 inches. Enter. See. Now you can also automatically it got close. So why? Because we know the arc length, that is a 4 feet 3 inches. So this is called as the start, center, length. Next, start, end, angle. So name itself, it indicates start, end, and angle. So now how much angle we are having? 90-degree. If you want to draw a door, as I told, you can use the concept of start, center, end, or you can use start, center, angle, or you can use start, end, angle. All arc you will get same output, just the steps will get vary. So no worry about that. You can learn any one or two types of arc and you can draw those things. So this is the basic thing. Suppose if you want start and direction, this is also same thing, start, end and direction you have to give. Suppose if I am giving inward or outward direction, if I am giving this, so I'll give value for 130, enter. Again start and direction. I'll give more value. Now I'll give 180, enter. As you can observe, if I am giving more value, it is coming towards the center, and if I will give lesser value, it will go away from the center. Start, end, I'll give 40, as you can see. See, if I am increasing the angle, it is coming towards the center. If I am decreasing the angle, it is going away from the center. So this is called as the start, end, direction. Direction in the sense you have to mention the angle for that. Next, start, end, radius. Now what is the radius here? Start point, end point, and radius. Now as I have given 3 by 3 feet. Suppose if I will give 3 feet, enter. Now I'll draw the same radius circle, 3 feet, enter. If I will move this circle to the same, it should get overlap. Why? Because I have given same value what I have given for this line. But if it is not same, what it happens? See, so radius for arc, not for the line. So start, end, radius, start point, end point, and radius. Now I will give radius as a 5 feet. So now you can observe how the inclination it got, arc it has come. So how much value I have given? 5 feet. So I'll draw the circle which is having 5 feet radius. Now it is not overlapping. Why? Because the line value we have given it as a 3 feet, and the circle value it is having 5 feet. So this arc, it is a part of circle, not a line. So this, if I will move like this, see, now you can also it will get overlap. So this arc, it is the smallest part of the circle. I hope we have clear with this. Next archetype we are having is a center, start, end. So all it will get reverse whatever we have learned top side. So center, start, end, in that we have to repeat same procedure in reverse manner. Center, start, and then end. See, you will get same output, just the procedure will get changed. Next, center start angle. Center start angle. So how much angle? 90 degree. Next, center start length. As we know the center start and length, how much it is? 4 feet 3 inches. Enter. And last, very much easy, that is a continuous arc. Just we have to give the value distance between two endpoints, 2 feet. Enter. Again, if you want to repeat continuous arc, where you will end, there it will get start. See, as you can observe, ortho mode if I will on at it will get set to the 90 degree. See, 2 feet. Enter. Again, if you will go for continuous arc, it will start from the end like this. Suppose 4 feet. Enter. So distance between two endpoint we are mentioning this like this. So here we have done with the arc command. So whatever drawings we have drawn, that I'll clear. Next, rectangle. So for rectangle we are having shortcut is a REC enter. So specify first corner and then we have to drag. So I'll explain you very first method. So D enter for the dimension. D enter. Now it is asking specify length for the rectangle. Suppose 5 feet. Enter. Then it will ask specify width for the rectangle. Then 2 feet. Enter. Then click. So now we have drawn the rectangle which is having 5 by 2 value. 5 feet length and 2 feet width. So it is very easy. Either you can select the rectangle, just click any one end corner and drag. Then we have to select this dimension. Then length 4 feet, enter. 1 feet, enter. Then click. Then you can check the value. The width it is 1 feet and the length it is 4 feet. Once if you will learn any basic drawing, you can draw any difficult drawing. See, if you have to learn it is properly. See, let's draw the polygon. So how to draw polygon? Shortcut for polygon it is a POL. Enter. So here enter number of sides. So here you can observe it is asking less than 4 or greater than 4. So what it should be? So minimum value for polygon it is a 3. Suppose 3, enter. Specify center it is asking. Then it will ask inscribed you want or circumscribed. Inscribed means the polygon it will come inside the circle, and circumscribed means polygon it will come above the circle. So first we will learn inscribed in circle. So select this. Then it will ask the radius for the circle. Suppose if I have 4 feet, enter. If I will draw the circle which is having 4 feet value radius, so automatically the polygon it will come. So now here the center point it is not coming. Suppose any quadrant, any points it will not visible, means you have to go for the or on snap setting. So here O snap setting, in that you have to select the node option. So here it is not visible. Which points or which snaps it is not visible, that you have to on. So I don't want this. So basically we want endpoint, midpoint, center point, then okay. So now you can see here if I will draw the circle which is having 4 feet radius, still it is not appearing. So what we can do for that? Again, see, you have to select any one command, click, right click, and then you have to go for the snap override setting. Suppose if I will select all, okay, we will do escape and then go for the circle command. See, now here geometric center it was disabled, that's why it was not appearing. So 4 feet, enter. Now as we selected inscribed polygon, that's why the polygon it has come inside the circle. Once again I'll repeat same command, polygon, then enter number of sides. Suppose 4, enter. Specify center, then circumscribe. Now circumscribed means polygon, it will come above the circle. Suppose I'll give 3 feet, enter. Now you have to draw 3 feet circle from same center. Now the polygon, it has come above the circle. So this is the difference between inscribed and circumscribed. I hope you have understand what is the difference between inscribed polygon and circumscribed polygon. The polygon, it will come inside the circle. The polygon, it will come above the circle. Then we have learned. So what we have learned in this video? So we have learned arc command, the types of arc. Again, shortcut for arc is capital A or A enter. Then after that we have learned rectangle and polygon command. So rectangle, how to draw? Shortcut for rectangle is REC enter. Then specify any end corner, drag D enter. Then we have to enter the length value, enter, and then width value, enter, and click. Next we have learned polygon. In that we have learned inscribed and circumscribed polygon. So enter number of sides, then center, select any one type, then give the radius. Then to check we have to draw the circle which is having same radius, enter. So this is whatever we have learned for this video. I hope we have liked this concept. So in next video we will clear all the concept whatever remaining in the drawing tools, the ellipse, types of ellipse, then hatch, types of hatch, and then remaining whatever drawing tools important things we will learn. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in comment box. Thanks for the watching.